Good evening to all of you and Radhe Radhe. Guys, outside it is raining cat and dogs. And I'm shocked here. I haven't seen raining in my entire life since I have been living in Delhi. It's raining heavily. Let me show you camera. I don't know whether you will see or not. But if you see outside, it is raining heavily and I'm sitting all alone here. And you know very well, if it is raining outside, who will come to the shop? So I'm all free and I have a lot of time. So what I was doing, I was reading on the laptop. I have just logged in my chat GPT on desktop and I'm reading various things about the biography, importance of meditation, mindfulness, how to control your emotion, or what is the benefit of reading, why should be get up early in the morning. So I was just reading all these things. When I took some break from the reading, then I thought let's share the thoughts in front of the camera because we rarely seen such moment in Delhi, especially in Delhi. I have already mentioned you that in mountain areas it is raining heavily, flood is going on, and cloudburst is also happening there. But in Delhi, I haven't seen. And do you know one thing? If you really want to go sector 22, you cannot go without entering in the water. The road is worse. That day on 17th of August, when I was going to Bhimrao Ambedkar Hospital, by mistake I took that road, Jhilwala road it is called. It was too much water that in middle of the road my car was stopped. Thank God it was new. I just took I took back, then I just turned the steering left side and just pushed the accelerator. Otherwise I was stuck there and I don't know how would I just get out of from there. So I'm telling you the road is worse and it is raining heavily and I don't know how will my father come here. He has gone to work and he just goes to work by bicycle. How difficult it is to just go to the job by bicycle. And here I have been seeing it has been more than 2 to 3 years. I came here around quarter past 5. Now, if you see what is the time right now, exact time 16 past 8, and it is still raining. Since morning, I haven't earned much, but overall, I have earned 200 rupees at least. I earned, and I'm all happy with my earning. I don't have any problem here because I truly believe that learning is most important thing than earning, because if you learn then you can convert your earning into learning easily, because overall you are just building new skill, developing a new skill, and I'm all happy with my habits. And one more thing, when I admit it and I really want to improve it, whenever I just open my camera I feel pressurized, and it is normal. When you are in pressure and you are nervous, the thoughts will not come in your mind. So I always say that whenever you speak in front of the camera, try to have this smile on your face. If you are calm, thoughts will come in your mind, and whatever the topic you have in your mind you can express easily. So it is very important for you to be happy in front of the camera, calm yourself, and if you are getting nervous, just take one thing, take 3 long breaths. It will calm your nervous system and you will be creative. Look at, we are living in AI world, artificial intelligence, and it is so easy to just research about anything. You have R&D, without you want to know about the Elon Musk, you really want to know what are the key points of America's superpower, what makes Russia a second superpower, what makes China so successful, how did India become fifth largest economy, why America's army is number one in the world. So these are the topics. If you really want to search it, then just have your question on chat gpt. Within 5 seconds you will get your complete answer, and you can have your R&D as well as, and if you really want to make your topic, then you can. As I have already promised with myself that after speaking 30 days I will start speaking on any topic. These days I'm not speaking. Let me tell you, in the morning I was just watching news. Palki Sharma, uh, SEO is going on in China. So all the world leader of South Asia, means Putin, Modi ji, Shahbaz Sharif, Xi Jinping, and 10, there are more than 10 country who has participated in it, and they contribute almost 40% of the population. So it is necessary because America has imposed 50% tariff on us. So we have to find an alternative, because our things, our goods are going to be expensive in America. So American will find alternative, cheaper alternative. So we cannot just destroy our economy. What about our foreign reserve? So India is divorcing its goods in other countries like China, Russia, so we can earn well. I don't understand about America at all, yeah. Yeah, right now Trump is in power, but after 5 years, another person will be in power. So he is not going to be the supreme power of the America. So he should understand, and I don't have any idea that how we are going to deal with China, because China is not trustworthy at all. They invaded in our border, they killed our soldiers, soldier. He is claiming our land as it's part of his country. So how we are going to trust China? We cannot trust China at all. But we don't have any other option, because in geopolitics there are no enemy or permanent friends. Only interests are there. So we have to keep our country's interest on the top priority, and we should do the work according to our country. Look at, India is importing oil from Russia because we have to fulfill our need of energy to our countrymen. That's why we are importing oil from the Russia. Na? Otherwise, why we will buy Russian oil? We should not waste money if we did not need, but we need it. That's when we are buying. So these are the reason, and now I understand geopolitics very well. Everyone is just contributing to each other, and everyone is depend on each other. Yeah, America is the biggest consumer in the world because of their per GDP income, capita income, and they are well rich. That's why they're superpower. So obviously, if you're superpower, so you are gonna spend more. That's why nobody wants to lose the American market. Even China doesn't want to lose. Even India doesn't want to lose. So let's see what's gonna happen. But I know one thing: you cannot stop our country. India is the fastest growing country in the world, and you cannot stop us. You cannot pressurize us. We are self independent, and there are more than 1.5 million people live in Silicon Valley who is contributing in your IT sector. So you cannot downgrade us like that. You have to think about us, and if you are gonna take any decision, then you have to pay for it. We, as a citizen of our country, we have to enlighten ourselves to just be the best version of ourselves, and so we can help our country to grow richer and richer. And if I really want to talk about something else, let's talk about my health. Yeah, I'm fed up with taking medicine. It is really destroy my taste, and I have cough as well. But since morning, I am feeling better. That's why I bought Vicks, and in the morning I got cough syrup, so I can just get rid of the cough. but overall I'm feeling great. I don't have fever, my body is in normal temperature. Yeah, I'm
Disconnected.
afraid of fever. Do you know why? That's why I told my mom, I'm not gonna take medicine at all. I'm fed with taking medicine. She said, all right, don't take medicine. And she just told me that if you really want to get out of this fever, you can have chirata 3 times in a day. It will remove the fever from your bone. It is said that na. I have used it and it really gave me benefit. So I'm gonna use chirata to just get out of this fever, and then we will just decide what to do, what not to do. Right now we have time, bro, right? And yeah, today I'm gonna just close my shop around 9:30 because today there is no work in the market because it's raining. Yeah, who wants to just go out in the rain? So whether you want to buy a data cable, you want to buy any accessories, you want to book the ticket, no, yeah, it's raining, yeah, I will just go tomorrow because it's raining. So you should understand, na? You should understand. So it is our job, but it doesn't mean that if customers are not coming, so you are going to just watch Insta, no? Watch YouTube random video, and you are going to scroll Instagram video. No, you have other option. You can watch, you can dismiss your frustrated thoughts, you can dismiss your negative thoughts and try to be a positive. And you can read, you can watch, you can make video, you can do several activities that would help you to grow in your life. Because mosam, weather will change tomorrow, there will be pleasant weather, but if you don't develop the habit of reading, you don't work hard, you will remain same. You don't know the power of consistency. How will you follow the consistency? You have to, sometimes you have to pressurize yourself, you have to push yourself. No, Raju, you can't do it, because your mind is lack of confidence. Once you push yourself, then your mind will understand, yeah, I have confidence here, I can do it. Look at it, is my 7th or 8th day of the recording, and every day I record the video and I just put it on YouTube. I really damn don't care, bro, whether I'm getting views or not. There's one purpose of making this video, and that is improving my communication. I really want to learn the art of speaking in front of the camera, and it will come through only practice. Practice makes a perfect man. And there are so many people who has suggested me that you have to bring the soothiness in your speaking. How will I bring the soothiness in my speaking? Through practice. Because once you speak fluently, so you will look good. And there was a teacher of mine, her name was Pooja Jha. She used to teach me in Boon Education, so she had tremendous faith in me. And she used to tell me that, Raju, you are a 99% good speaker, and you are the one of the best English speaker in whole Boon Education. Only you have to work over two things. One is soothiness, second is cause. I have worked both of them. I have worked over it, and now you can see the improvement in myself. Yeah, there will be time I will get the chance to talk to her, and I will make her proud that you should be proud of yourself, ma'am, because your teaching value literally transformed myself completely, and it just made me to reach on the pinnacle of the success. And I just follow all the prerequisites point, whatever you told me to just walk over it, and I walked, and I really enlightened myself. Now you can see I'm extremely happy with myself, and I'm all happy because I know one thing. I know one thing. Work hard. If you practice every day, your hard work will never ever go waste. And my ma'am used to say that sooner or later you will become a fluent English speaker. It's up to your practice. Even Saroj sir used to just give us advice that every day you have to record your 2 minutes video. Here I'm recording 14 to 15 minutes video. So there is a huge difference, na? Of course, bro, there is a huge difference, and it is a matter of 2 to 3 months. Right now, maybe it is just your 7 days. What about, have you ever thought that Once you speak more than 2 to 3 months continually and you follow the
Power
consistency,
off.
you will beat yourself because consistency beats talent, and you will be the different English speaker. Everyone will be amazed once they are gonna listen to you, because how did you get the fluency? You got the fluency through practice, and practice is so boring. Who doesn't know, yeah? Don't you know how boring practice is? Yeah, but it's up to you. How do you make practice entertaining? How do you make practice excitement? It's up to you. If you think it's boring, then you will never ever grow in your life. Like, there are so many cricketers you must have seen playing for India, but there are only few people you still remember. One of them, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Yuvraj Singh, Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag, Virat Kohli, Jair Khan. So why they are so important for our country? Because they made India win, they made India proud, and they worked very hard, and they just accomplished this milestone in their life. And when he was telling that, look at Arjun Tendulkar, he could not become like his father, but what about Yashasvi Jaiswal? He used to sell more pani puri on his father's ready, and he is so successful cricketer right now. So it's up to you, bro. What do you do in your life? It doesn't matter what's your family background. If you have the fire in your heart, then you can accomplish anything. You need motivation, because you really want to prove everyone wrong. You have nothing to lose, only you have everything to get. That thing will instigate you, push you hard to just go and accomplish your goal, desire, and be the successful person in your life, and just reach the pinnacle of the success in your life. And I do believe, because I was watching a video of Sonu Sharma. He told me that poor people who is living on the roadside, they have better immunity system. They just put up with heat, winter, and raining season, and a lot of hunger. So they are mentally so strong, they can face problems. That's why they become successful person in their life. But if you talk about these people, they don't have any idea how to just show the resilience better than poor people. And I am also learning how to show my resilience if I'm going through problems, health issues. So I should not think, yeah, I'm unlucky because I'm facing a lot of health issues. I should think that this shall to pass, because yes, there is some problem in my body, but I really want to get rid of it. And people often just make fun of me that you have been going to gym, but where is your body? But I don't want to show them where is my body. I'm healthy, I'm energetic, I look good. It is a matter of time, because it takes years and years to build your muscle. I'm not going to use protein and powder gainer to just put on my weight unnaturally. It will hit my liver, and it will just destroy my physique as well. So I have learned one thing: slowly you have to follow the progress, you have to follow the process, and once you follow the process, you will be successful in your life. Whether it is becoming a great English speaker, becoming a great bodybuilder, becoming a great entrepreneur, you have to. Look at when I was just reading about Warren Buffett, then I got to know that how did he become so successful investor, because at the age of 11 he used to sell chingum and Coca-Cola door to door. So if you are 11 years old and you are working hard, so obviously you will become a great entrepreneur. Now I would like to just spell out the spelling of philanthropist. Philanthropy, philanthropist, philanthropy, philanthropy, philanthropy. And if I talk about one more thing I am forgetting, and that is entrepreneur, entrepreneur, entrepreneur. So yeah, whenever I don't know the spelling, but once I read again and again, so I will learn.